Hello guys, welcome. All right, so in this video I want to do a review of a mic. Now most people always ask which mic should they get for their content creation game. So in this tutorial I happen to have this mic here. And I also have the popular K9 mic. Right? This is K9 mic. Now I own these two mic. I just got this today. So I also owned this initially. But I noticed that this K9 mic do fail. Like it do fail to pick voice. In most times, I think the battery doesn't last, so I deemed it fit to go and get another one. So I happen to have used this mic in two different times. Like I bought it twice. The first one spoiled and I bought the second one and it still failed to pick the voice. And this video is not a discredit to people that produce K9 mic. It's just an honest review of my experience in using a K9 mic. So it tends to fail. Look at it, it's still very new, but it tends to fail. Still very new, all the components are intact. It tends to fail. It's still on, it's still on, but I will on it and it will on, but it doesn't pick voice anymore. So I now went and bought this. So this is a pure a new mic I just bought today. I bought this for 35,000 naira, and the name, I don't know the name, but they wrote it wireless microphone right here. They wrote it wireless microphone right here. Let me see if you can see the name. Yeah, look at it, wireless microphone, right? So now it's as rigid as you can see, very rigid. You know, I have unboxed the nylon. It comes with a sealed nylon. So if you want to get it, make sure you check this sealing, that it must be there. So now if you open it, you will see it comes with a user manual. And then you will see the iPhone plug in it. You will see the iPhone mount in it, just like this, beside it. And you now bring out this box. Now this box here serves as the power bank that charges the mic. So this is how it looks like. You see, right? So now once you have it in this form, then this is the plug and play. And this is the two mics. It still has the singular mic, but I will encourage you to buy the double lapel ohm, because when you are using one of the mic, if it runs down, you can easily swap and charge it in this box, right? So that you don't waste time waiting to charge the single one before you start using it again. Now, another thing I also want to let you know here is that this is more durable. From my research I made, it's more durable, and it has noise cancellation, just like the K9 mic as well do also have noise cancellation, right? It's just a plug and play, 20 meters range, and precise radio. It has clear timbre and highly sensitive. Now, there is one particular issue with this K9 mic, with K9. In K9 mic, it does not work for every phone. In some phones, you need to download a third-party camera application, which is called open camera. But in this other mic, it works with every phone. You don't need to download any app for this. As long as your phone is, I think, Android 8 and above, right? I think so. It works with every phone and is very compatible. You don't need to download a third-party camera app except you wish to download it. You can now go ahead and download, right? So this first video I have been making for the past 5 minutes plus now is being recorded with my normal phone mic, my normal phone. I did not put any mic on the phone. So let me put this new mic I bought now, so you will feel the audio difference and feel the filter of the noise. So let me plug this before we proceed. All right, so here I have plugged the new mic I just bought. You can see clearly the audio difference. The mic is being plugged on my body, right? On my shirt. It's on. So once you plug it, you tap the side button that has the off and on button. It will be, the blinking green will be steady. You will plug the adapter on your phone charging port, something of this nature that came with it. You plug it on the body of the phone, and then you are good to go. You don't need to download any other camera app. I am using my Samsung S10 5G phone to record this video, and I am not making use of any third-party app. If you want to use a third-party app, it's your choice. It's optional, right? So you can go ahead to download. So for every content creator, I will highly recommend this mic for you. It will give you the premium quality and service that you so require. So I will put the first video I made in the shop I bought this mic from next. So you will see the real, the first hand use, right? I tried making with this mic and also compare with other mic, Please bear in mind that this is not an advert for this brand of mic. It's just my user experience and unboxing review. So if you want to get a mic, please try your best as possible to get this other one. It is highly recommended. It will serve you a longer duration than the regular K9 mic. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and comment. Ask your questions, and I will go through them and then answer your questions. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Hello guys, good morning. So in this video I want to show us a new type of mic that is ideal for all content creators. Now I believe most of us might have been looking for a good mic. Now they have different types of mic. They have K9, they have other brands, but this one is the one I solely recommend, and the recommendation came from trust and by use, right? So I am trying to unbox it, so stay with us. Let us unbox it. So this video now I am recording is directly from my phone mic. I did not use any mic on it, so let's unbox together and see what the difference it will make. Let's unbox together. So this is how it comes. It's a double lapel mic, right? It has both iPhone and Type-C. So let's see what the inside looks like. So it comes in this box. Look at it, right? So you see the user manual guide, so you can read through it on your own time to understand how this works perfectly, how to use and the diagram, everything. So this is the user manual guide, and here the first thing you will see is the adapter for the iPhone, right? For iPhone. So it has this iPhone adapter, and then you can use adapter on it, or you can see it directly on your phone. So now when you have known that it comes with this, now to unbox, to remove this comes with the power bank. This is the power bank, that houses the mic and the plug. So when you open it up this way, so you see the 3-piece here. This is called the plug, and this is the mic. So I'll also make a video to show you how it's being used. And then wireless mic, then it has a side button here that you can turn it on, and you see a red and green light blinking. So once you plug this to your phone, it will stop blinking, right? So I'll also make another tutorial on the use, the differences, and everything. All right, guys, so I bought this for 35,000 naira, depending on your contacts. So if you want to get this, you can also send me a DM on the number on the screen, so I will help you to get this wonderful mic. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. All right, guys, so this is the mic. This is the results. As you can see, the shop I bought this from is in Owerri. So I will drop the man's number in this video. So if you want anything mic accessories, you can contact him and he will do a webby for you. He's very prompt in delivery. So this is the effect. As you can see that it cancelled all the noise in the background compared to the old video I just made now. There was a fan on here, and you can barely hear the sound of this fan. And I am at the express, but you can barely hear the sound of the motorcycles and the cars passing by. So this mic is a sure bet for any intending content creator that wants to step up his audio game in this new year. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.